Conrad Layn, Avail University. My name's Conrad Layn. There's a car market crash coming, and if you're already in the car market crash, or you notice that you're not getting a lot of bookings or rentals, and you rent your car on the hire car platform or Turo platform, or you own your own rental car independent agency, or you're just figuring out how to start a rental car business or how to start building a business, even though we're in a recession, or even if you're in a situation where the car market comes to a stand, no worry. Avail at this time is the only car sharing platform that pays you guaranteed earnings of $450 guaranteed, regardless if it's a hot month, if things are going fast, if it's a slow month, and you're not getting any bookings or reservations, if we're in a recession or not, doesn't matter. Avail Car Share at this time is the only rideshare company that pays $450 per month, regardless, even if your car sits there and gets dusty. It won't get dusty because they actually do clean it for free. You get free parking. You get a free Allstate insurance policy. They take care of and maintain your vehicle by getting oil changes, tire rotations. They'll buy a battery for you if they need it to. They'll take care of your car completely. You just drop it off at their lot, at their Avail lot, and they take care of all the rest. So I highly recommend, if you're really scared about starting a new rental car business, or not sure if you want to add your car to Turo or Hire Car or some other get around, some other car sharing platform, because you're at a point where you realize that there's a recession, or you realize that it's a bad market to start business in rental cars, Avail's the only one that puts the training wheels on that will give you $450 even if your car sits there for months or years. Pretty cool. Check Avail out. Welcome to Lane Avail University. That's a hack for y'all. Recession proof business. Carlene out.